Hello, Namaste. Today I'm going to teach you how to download any video software from torrent. Be aware, it is illegal. First of all, open your browser, then type torrent. The link is in description also. Go to Windows, download, then go to torrent table, download it. I have already downloaded, so I will cancel, but after download, open browser and type the pirate bay.org. It is a legal site. Then type the pirate source. Sometimes it don't open, so use VPN. After that, then type any software or any video which you want to download, or any movie also. So type Microsoft Office. If you want to download Microsoft Office, it is showing error. Again type Microsoft Office. It will open. Then click on any link. For example, if you want this application for Windows, second also this application in fourth is for Mac. It is a lot of links. So click on Microsoft Office Pro Plus 2016. Again it is showing. Just refresh again. Refresh. Okay, then get this torrent. Click on get this torrent. It will ask you open your torrent. Now it is ask you where to save. Then I'm going to save it and download. So, okay. Now it is downloading. It will take time. In this way, you can download video software from torrent. Thank you.